Everyone, my name is Carly Ray, owner of the Realtor Group here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Welcome to one of our 3D home tours of one of our listings that we have live on the market for you now. Today, I'm going to bring you to South Summerlin and join me while we walk through this video tour. Address on this is going to be 5568 Tabletop Lane. Again, this is in South Summerlin. So for people that are unfamiliar, over by the Gorman High School off of the 215 and Russell, we're going to be in that neck of the woods. So this 3D tour is going to take you from the front door entrance. We're only going to see the inside up and down. And then what I'll do is I will share the aerial shots at the end of the tour. So when you first walk in, you're going to see that we have vaulted ceilings and this beautiful entryway and a staircase that does have a little bit of a break. So for little kids or people with dogs versus that straight shot up, you're going to have a little bit of an easier. To the right, we're going to come over here. You're going to see we have some great storage right here and our first bathroom. So you're going to have a full tub and shower. You're going to have your handles for your towels. Again, kind of looking out to the entryway. Single sink toilet. We've got brushed black handles. You've got a tile top. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and go into one of the bedrooms downstairs. Now there's 2 bedrooms down and 2 bedrooms up. All right, so you're going to see you're going to have your closet here. We have brand new wood-like tile planks throughout the entire bottom floor that were recently installed. New baseboards, fresh paint. They do have a puppy, so you can see that that doggy door goes out to their dog run, however easily can be covered up. And then we do have a ceiling fan and light in this room. All right, let's go back to this front door entry and let's walk through a little bit more. All right, right here is a great spot if you wanted to do an entryway table. In this closet, you're going to have storage that goes all the way back and then underneath the stairs. So perfect for just kind of maybe holiday, decorations, coats, just extra storage. All right, you're going to see we have a fabulously large living room here. We'll just get a little bit closer. You can just see how big this couch is. A lot of natural light, big TV, big room. And again, just kind of tore it back through so you can see where we are from the front door. All right. So if we keep turning, you're going to see that it's going to walk us directly into the kitchen. So you've got this little bit of a break here, but nice and open with these pop outs so that you do have a little bit of a separation from the living room to the kitchen. However, it is nice and open, so great for entertaining. Let's go ahead and go into that kitchen, why don't we? All right, so you're going to see we have our stove and our microwave here. You're going to have these beautiful white custom cabinets with the silver handles. You've got granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. In here, you're going to have our laundry room that will enter the 2-car garage. There's also an additional 1-car garage, so making a total of 3. The 1-car garage is, however, on its own. It's not attached to the house. However, through this laundry room, oops, sorry about that. Through this laundry room, you're going to see that's where our 2-car garage is. Let me go ahead and spin us around so we can see how big this kitchen is. All right, beautiful. You've got dishwasher here. You've got our big double sink here. Nice big windows. We've got recessed lighting. Again, this is big enough for 4, even maybe 5 bar stools. All right, we've got room for a nice large dining room table if you want. And again, just kind of that separation from the living room. We'll do another tour back this way. And then real quick, you're going to see a little bit of the outdoors from here. So right now they have some trees and some desert landscaping in the back, a little bit of a patio front right here. And again, like I said, the dog run on the side. And then from the left entrance, you are going to have open access to the front of the house. All right, let's go ahead and let's go into the master. Your master bedroom or your primary bedroom is going to be on the bottom floor. Okay, right through this, which is nice because it's completely separate from all the other bedrooms. The 2 upstairs obviously are separated, and that bedroom that we saw right by the front door is on the other side of the house. You're going to see again these tile floors throughout, nice bright open windows. Again, we're gonna have a ceiling fan and a light in here. This is a king size bed with fairly big dresser. So just kind of show you the size of the room here. All right, we're gonna go into here. Oops, sorry about that. You gotta really like click on the dots. All right, so in here, you're gonna see we have 2 sinks. So again, that tile front, same knobs that we saw in the other bathroom. We have a nice big garden tub. We have our other sink. We're gonna have our shower back here. So standing shower that is separate, which is tiled. All right, we have a separate toilet room over here with a door. And then we do have a large walk-in closet with California closet inserts. So you can just kind of see lots of room for your clothes, shoes, and accessories in this closet. All right, let's go ahead and go back out and let's find our front door and let's go up those stairs. So we're coming back this way. All right. So on the stairs, you're going to see we do have carpet up the stairs and the entire upstairs. All right. And you're going to see, oops, it's funky how it does that. Sorry. All right. So you're going to see there's 2 breaks there. All right, so upstairs, as I said, we do have 2 bedrooms. You also have this big, beautiful loft right here. So great size, especially, you know, just for a separate family room, or if you've got kids, just have a TV room or even a playroom upstairs. Out this door, you're gonna have a full balcony that's gonna step out. And you're gonna be able to see kind of some of the mountains. Something that's great about this neighborhood is there's a lot of walking trails, there's parks. Just down the street, you're going to have a community pool. There's several little playgrounds within the community, and about a quarter of a mile down the road, you're going to have basketball, tennis courts, frisbee golf, things like that. All right, so these 2 bedrooms do share this bathroom. So again, that's going to be 3 full bathrooms. There is a tub and a shower in here, as well as, you know, seam tiled countertops. Bedroom 1, see the fresh paint. Again, we do have ceiling fan and lights. Closet is here. This bedroom is going to be facing the west. So you're going to have that afternoon sun. Go back up this way. And we're going to go find our other bedroom. This bedroom, same thing. They are the same size. All right. And then you're going to have this closet, and then again, ceiling fan and light. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today at 5568 Tabletop. Let me know if you have any more questions, and we'll be able to give you an in-person tour if you like. Have a good day.